Picture this. It's the 90s. You're at home all day with your daughter, and she's driving you crazy. You have grown tired of patching the knees in her jeans from sending her outside all day, and you're basically refusing to become the type of mom to let a TV raise your child. What do you do? If you're my mom, you teach her arts and crafts. Hi, everyone. My name is Chardonnay, and I'm going to talk a little bit about arts and crafts, and that's my favorite pastime. So, like I mentioned, I started off young. I started just like everybody with the finger paint and the macaroni art and the popsicle stick crafts as well. But as I grew, my interest grew. So I branched off. I branched into yarn art like macrame and crochet and knit. After that, I actually moved towards painting with oils and acrylics, and I grew from there. I wanted to advance my crafting. So after years and years of waiting, here came one single piece of machinery that would offer me an advancement in my passion. You might be asking yourself, what can she possibly be talking about? What could be that good that would just launch your passion? But I'll tell you, after years of finally waiting, I got one. A cricket. That's right, a cricket. So I want to explain this piece of technology that literally changed my life. It is a very sophisticated piece of machinery and it allows you to create whatever you want. You can do decals, you can customize cups, you can make t-shirts, blankets. You can even make jewelry like earrings and necklaces and bracelets too. This machine can cut through wood, metal, fabric. It can even go through leather. So the options are almost virtually limitless. And what's truly remarkable about this piece of machinery is that it creates the dynamic of the charm of a handmade piece, but with machine precision. So, what I mean by that is that you actually start your craft in a virtual platform where you do things with graphic design, and this forum is virtually boundless. It is infinite. You can do anything you want. And that's what really spoke to me, and that's why it's my passion. I can do anything I want. So the next time you have a free afternoon, I want you to ask yourself, what can I create today? Thanks.